Okay, we are now going live. We are now going to be trading binary option. Yesterday we had a super successful day. We did 9 trades and 9 winners. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, just make sure you join my live stream, just like this one. Make sure you sign up with the broker that you see in the chat over there, or below the video if you see as a recording. And make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. I will now start to promote this video so you get more people into the live stream, and we'll get started to trade some binary option. So just bear with me while I do so. Meanwhile, let me know who is live, and I will set up my extra computer here now so I can follow the chat. So let me see if I have some of my regular people and if there are some new ones that are live together with me. And I'm very soon also available in the chat. I'll just go into my channel, join my own live stream, and there we are. And we already have 8 likes. That's amazing. That's just amazing. I see we have a Gigaman. Yeah, that's West Luna. That's you're new here, right? I see Justin and Gerald. Yeah, then we start to have most of our regulars here. That is nice. I will have still a few things I do left, and we'll get started to trade. Let me see. There. And there. Cool. Then we have control. Perfect. Then I will start to see if we can find something to trade. Ah, yeah, I see you have Robert there also. I did not see you on the screen here. I see you now in the other chat area. Super cool. Then we are all here. Then let's see if we can find something nice to trade today. I will start to close down all these windows from yesterday, because yesterday we were very active with many different pairs. Now I will start from the top. Yesterday we had an amazing trading day. We made almost, I say we, but some of you actually made much more than me in number of trades, but I got 9 winners yesterday and not even a losing trade. So when we can get something like this, then we are happy. So let's see if we can manage that today also. That would be amazing. We are now starting as always with the first pair. Let's zoom out and see if we have something nice. And here is what I told always. Old lines does not mean that it's going to be something in the future. And here you can clearly see that you had a line from before, and it's basically in the middle of everything. So when we are talking about 1 minute chart, does not mean nothing. Here basically we see nothing. We see that you had something over here, but like I said, that does not mean nothing for us here. So let's continue and see if we find something better. Okay. I'll say we don't have nothing here either. Basically what I'm looking for, if there are someone new here now, I'm looking for a specific place where I put my line for either for support and resistance, and I put a color scheme in the way that like for example, if I have a red color, that means it's down button. I make it in the correct color scheme. So here, for example, below here will always be a green, because that will be up, and in the top I'll put red. So we first need to find something that is good. Now let's see if we can find something to trade. Yesterday we got something right away. And there we have our Robert. He's super good to find things. GBP USD. Let's take a look at GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's open that one. And yes, perfect. There we have something. Let's put a horizontal line up here. And the way I do that, I always put down a red color because you're going to look for sell trades. I change my bid to 100. We change for 30 seconds. And we take the thickest line. We zoom in to make sure this looks nice. I always, when I put my line, I put sign, don't have any spike that go above the line. So I will say around there looks nice. So now if we come up to this line we have put at 1, 21, 42, 52. And we also have one at Euro New Zealand. Let's open that one also. Euro New Zealand. Let's take a look there. And yes, we have something up there also. If you zoom out, you see it's not that far. So we make a line there also. We do exactly the same. We are looking for sell trades that makes with red. We take the thickest line, zoom in to put it the best we can, and there. So now if you come up to that line, we will sell also. Also remember, I say that always, if you change in between, make sure you always change this one back to 30. Because he always put for 5 seconds for you, we need it to be 30 seconds. So now we'll jump a little between these two. We are getting close enough for GBP USD, so British pound and dollar. I was trading much British pound today also for Forex. I think I did quite a lot of trades there. Let me see. Today, I think I did let me see if I put this. I'm just looking at my trades I did today in Forex. Was quite a lot. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trades for Forex today. And all was for GBP USD. It's a new scalping system I'm using. Quite cool actually. Now let's see. Now we are following a little this too. But I think we can start to look for something else because none of them are super close right now. I got also one more signal here now from Gerald. USD against Switzerland. Let's take a look at that one. USD. Let's zoom out so we can see. We have in the bottom here. Okay, cool. Let's mark it up. We take it here. And here we mark it with green, because now we're looking for buy trades. Let's zoom in so we get the best possible entry. I think there will be nice. Yes. So now if you come down to this green line, we will push up. And always in my screen you will see this number you see there, green, will always stay the same. So if you want to put the line exactly the same place I put my lines, you just copy what says in the green number there. So now we are following this tree. We are ready to take any trade on this tree. And we will of course continue to look for other things also, because we are currently a little far away. This might take a few minutes. So I will now start to look also, if you can find something extra. And the rule I have, we need minimum 4 tries of a line, of that is for support. When I say line, that basically then I'm talking about the support or resistant. So I need always 4 tests. If I don't have 4, I don't consider it good enough. But if you have 3, we can start to follow, put the line and start to follow. So, like here for example, we have something. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a few here. It's not super strong, but and we have been away for a little while. But what I would do in this case, I will just put a line here, a support line, right? And if I can get 1 test of this line, I will consider it to trade on it. I will not trade directly when you come down to this line here, if we do so. But we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough for me. But now we have been away for 40 or so minutes. So when we come down here, I need to see that he come down, he stop at the line, and if we do so, then I will trade on the next bar. So this is just one that we will follow. And then Justin, you have a dollar against the svenska kronar. Let's take a look at that one. USD SEK. And yes, you are correct. There we actually have some action right away. Let me see if I can mark this super fast. I will even take a... No, I think while I put the line, I think I did... I will need to see if it was a break. I need to see if we had a break before we get started. Let me see. No. Yes, we had a break. So, but you are correct. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and here we had a break on this one. So, thankfully for my case at least, I was not able to take any trades here. Did you lose on this one now, Justin? But yes, I removed that one for now. And also, for anyone that is live here now, have you been trading? Have you been winning today? You can see for me, for example, I have not done 1 trade yet. We are just waiting for 1 good line we can be trading. But if any of you other ones have been trading, you have just 1. Did you win or lose that trade, Justin? And another one's live here. Have you been trading? How have you been doing? Have you been winning, losing? How is your day? All this is nice to get a little update. Yesterday we all was printing money like crazy. I think we had some had done 20 trades, some had done 15 trades. It was like super. I was the one that have traded the minimum. Of course, I did 9 trades, 9 winners. I'm happy with that. But there are some of you that have done much more. Ah, you lost. Okay, yeah, I know. Days like this, Robert, it's better to just relax a little and take a small break now, and let's get started again. And just keep following the rules. If you first lose on the 1 hedge, then you stop with the hedge for the day. Because then that means you lost 2 trades on 1, and that is super boring. As you have seen, I have done that in some of my sessions also. Like for example, I think I did it at the time when was $750 in minus, but then we did manage to turn it around and even turn profit. So keep without hedge for the rest of the day. I know hedge is always risky, but sometimes it pays off and sometimes it doesn't. And when you lose 1 hedge, then typically what I do, I stay away from hedge after. Also, what I did stop with, I always did with if I got a bad entry, I did take a new entry when I got a better one. But the problem is that if you then break the lines, you lose 2 or more trades on one, and that is something that breaks. Like you see me do one time, I had 4 entries, and then I got 2 perfect entries, and then he chose to break the line. So sometimes just keep it the stupid simple. And I have found that if I do things stupid simple, that's the days I'm most successful. But yes, hedging sometimes can be rewarding, because we basically, on a losing trade, we basically lose like just, in my case, instead of losing $100, I lose just $5. So I'm not saying that you should not be doing hedging. Wait a little now here. No, I was thinking that we was forming something here, but we are not. Now let's jump a little in between here now. We are getting closer for dollar against Switzerland, and I think it's Swiss francs they call it, and British pound against dollar. We are still far away, so I think we can just continue looking for more. The thing is, the biggest job we have when you're trading binary option is just to find a line to trade. Here you can see we have an old line also. Let's remove that one. Let me see if we can have something in an area here we can be looking for, but I don't see. But when you first find something and the line is holding, then it's rewarding. Then you make the money super fast. So now I'll say we have nothing here either. Yeah, that's the thing. You will see me go through the currencies, but we have cryptocurrency, you have stocks, you have communities, so I always forget that we have that. But I think I will start to maybe take a look here also. Let's look at little Dogecoin. Let's take Dogecoin. Let's start to look some cryptocurrency here now. And we can clearly see that Dogecoin can work also. If it was not for this spike here, this one would be quite nice. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Nope. No, I don't know why I forget to look, just look Forex, but of course we can. There, maybe we have something in the bottom here. Yes, we have. Someone told that was broken. I don't see. Let me mark it up so I can take a better look. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. But for me, it does not look broken, this. Let's take a green line there, and the tick is... You did see the future then, maybe. It was broke there now. So, okay. Someone's maybe is in front of me here now. This is Polygon. Nothing. Let's jump over to some stocks then. BMW. We had the hair up, you can see how beautiful, but we are very far away, so I don't think I will start to mark that in this session here. No. And Lufthansa, let me see, there we have some, no, we have one broke it here. Today we are really looking hard to find Cooper. There we have 3, that one we can mark. We just need one more. And looks like it's a little bit low, but let's see how it looks like when that's why I always put the thickest line. With the thickest line, they're all holding. So if you come down one more time on this one here, we will start trading on this green line. So change for 30. Let's see now. Let's see if we will hold. As you say, 1, 2, and 3. We just need one more test of this line, and I will activate trading on this one. So let's hope we can come down. As we are not going to trade the first, I can just check in between the other ones. Here we are very far away. Here we are very far away. Here we were. This one is still going. Change for 30. Let me take a look. Come on, go down again and now take a trade. Here I think we would have lost this one because we closed it basically in the bar, and this one also very close. So this here we would have won. So I'm ready to go in, but I need to do so I can get the best entry as possible. He's moving pretty fast, so that makes it a little difficult. But let's see. I will only take one trade, by the way, and let's hope we can get a good start on the day. There. Oh, I got a terrible entry, and the delay was quite big. I think I will lose that one. I think we'll lose that trade. I had a delay, I think 2 seconds delay when I pushed the button. But let's cross our fingers so we get the winner for the first trade. It's always nice to get the winner in the start, but I don't think so because the bad entry. 5, 4, 3, no. See? Ooh. Yes, we won that trade, $95 up. But yes, it was a bad entry. But we are at least on the scoreboard now with $95 profit. Cool. And Cooper, looks like we are down there now. Was it? No. It's just one. Cooper Plus, is that something? Where you're done? I don't know what that is. I will continue trading. Which one I was trading on? Was it this one? See here now. Yeah, now I will concentrate here. I will concentrate here. I even lost one opportunity here as you know. I will concentrate here and I will... where is the Cooper Plus? I don't know what that is, because we have an option, we have Cooper, OTC, but Cooper Plus I don't know. As you know, a little far away, I can take a look if I can find it. We don't have it here. We don't have it here. We don't have it here. And I don't think that is cryptocurrencies, so I don't know what that is. Okay. But Cooper, OTC, this one here, we basically, as you can see, we need one more try of this line before we can trade on it. So we just need to wait. And I will follow this one here. Oh, we are very close. Now I'll take a trade if you come down again. Let's see. Come on. If you come down, we go here. Let's hope I get a little better entry this time. I find it very rewarding these times I get a good entry, and I know the only way I lose if the better entry is not super good, but it's better than the first at least. But I think he broke the line almost now. Was I correct? Yeah, I think we're going to lose this trade. At least I'm not going to trade it more because I did see him go below the line. So I don't think I'll trade this one more. Even if I win this one now, I will not trade it more. Now let's see. I won it, but I'm not going to trade more here. I did see him dodge. Yeah, if you zoom in here now, you see he did go below here, do you see? So that shows me that this line is not so strong more. So, and no, actually, wait a little here now. When I zoom in here now, we see these ones are below, so maybe my line is not correct. It's my line that is not correct. It's actually good. I've been trading. This one I should even not have been trading. It's down there, that is correct. Okay, cool, then we continue. I had my line wrong place. Now let's see. If we come down again, I will take it. Come on. Oh, wow, what a delay I had. I think this was like a 3-second delay at least, or minimum 2. And now he broke. Talking about breaking, then he break. Okay, then I will for sure, I'm not going to do hedging. Let's see now. We lost there, then we are at $90 profit till now. Not bad. We are in profit at least, but I don't like to be losing. Now let's check the Cooper. If you got more tests here, does not look like that. Let's take a look at another pairs we have. We are far away from that line. We are far away from this line. Here, yeah, that was the only traded, of course. We broke that one. Euro, and here we need a test of this line before we can start trade it. So Cooper and this one is basically in the same, that we need a test before we can start trading on it. Then I will continue to see if we can find something. Let's check this Hong Kong thing. Nope. And let's check Spain, 35. Nope. Let's check Switzerland. No. UK. Here we just have 2. And there are little unregulars. I think we just skip it for now. Maybe we'll do something later. $30. No, USA 30. It's not dollar USA. USA 500. No. And tech. No. CAD was broken, but I want to see, by the way, what we had there. And yes, we had something there, but got broken. True. Today is one of those days where things get broken. I see that. Some days we are printing money, we get super good lines, and then we have these days like this when everything get broken. But that's why we need to be careful so we don't overtrade or nothing, and we keep to the rules. Overtrading means trading more than 1 hour, and keep to the rules, because as long as you keep to the rules, even on a bad day, we turn profit. Now I am up $90 for today, 2 winners and 1 loser. I have not had that many opportunities to trade yet, but hopefully that will turn around. We just need 1 good line and that will fix everything. Out So let's take a look. I will enter that one now. Let's take a look. And yes, we have one in the bottom there. I will now mark it with a green line and the tickets. Then let's see. I would say there. Now let's see if we can come down. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tests. That is pretty good. But nothing to trade just right now. Let's check Cooper. If we have come down and tested. Now here not. Which pair was it? That was the same. I think it was this one. Euro against Australian. Yeah, here we are getting closer to get our new test of this line. Basically, I just need one more test of this line also. So we can start trading there. This one was broken, yes. And what did we have something here? Only in the top there. Okay. So then I guess this is the best bet we have just right now. Let's see. We have decent amount of likes today. See, we have a total have 24 people in the session today, and we have 9 likes. That is, I'll say that is pretty good. I'm happy with that. Now let's see. But boring. Yes, it's boring, I need to admit. When you just get 3 trades, now we've been trading for 30 minutes. We want a little more than that. Okay. Okay, Robert, I will check that one. Let's take GPY. Let's open. True. We have 3 tests, yes. Just get one more and we can go for that one. We would have lost this, but we could have won this to another. So let's take a green there, and it's a possibility he basically had tested just 2 times because he closed it here and he did go up on this bar. So in a way he have only tested the line 2 times, but as a little slow day, I just take off. I will start trading on one more test. But this line is tested till now just 2 times. As he closed it on this bar down here, he open here and go up and come down for so 2 tests. But yeah, one more and I'll start, by the way. So now let's see, I'll change to 30. I will not. So for any newcomers here now, do not trade on this line yet. I can make it simpler. Let's make it a blue line. We change to green when we see it as an active line. Let's do like that. So we are now waiting for this one. If I had a very active day with a lot of trades, I would like to see 2 more tries on this line before I start trading, but as it's a slow day, I will start after 3 because we basically have just 1, 2 try on this line. Now let's see. As you're waiting for that, I will check this other one here first. We did not come more down here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. We need to come down to this line we see here. One test at least. Cooper is also, we just need one try of the line. When I look here now, looks like this one here is a little below. By the way, let's see what happened. And here we are just waiting. Now let's see. I know I asked this before, but are there any other YouTuber that is trading live every single day on binary option? If there are, I'm interested to see that person, what type of strategy he's using, he or she is using. Okay, there we got a test. Now I will, on the next time, I will take a trade. Now let's change this for a green color. As long as you don't break now, we are golden. Let's see. On the next spot, I will take a trade. It's tempting to push now, but I will not do it. Really tempting to push. Because I see it's holding, but I'll stay strong. Now let's see, let's hope we come down again. And not break that time, of course. Because this one, I would have won if I got a good entry down there. I see. Let's see now. On the next spot, I will go in. Yes, if you come down again now. Let's see now. There was a big delay last time I did push the button. I will count this time how many seconds takes before one. Okay, 1 second. This time was very... And the line got broken. Even if I win the trade now, I'm super annoyed because I know I can't trade more. It's not, thankfully it looks like, but it's boring because we can't trade more on it. The disappointment is because we can't trade here more. And we see now he start to continue go down. That I win, I don't get happy for the win. That's the thing. Because I need more than, now we have now basically 4 trades and 3 winners. In some way it's not bad, it's $185, but I'm not happy with that. That's the thing. I need more. So then let's check the other ones we have. How did it go for you, Robert? And I'm guessing Justin also did trade this line. Did you also manage to win like I did? Or did you lose on it? Tell me. It's nice to hear some, because you can see my screen, of course. I will be cool to hear how you two are doing also, and if there are any other you lost on it. And you, Justin, did you trade the line also? So you're having a bad day then, Justin? Okay, so you then you basically just lost a small amount then, Justin. Okay. Yeah, I was tempting to hedge also, but sometimes I just stay away from hedging. Sometimes I hedge every single time, and so today I have not even tried. So then we have 4 trades and 3 winners. The statistics is not bad, but we see today is a day where lines get broken. Yesterday nothing got broken. And now we see that our Cooper trade, we can't trade. We see he did broke the line. So today, like we see, today is a day it's not a good day to trade, we can say like that. Yeah, West, you say you are using $1 to $5 trades. How big is your account? Because, by the way, you should trade the maximum 2-3% of your account balance. I would do Seraph. Let's take a look. I think that's this one. Yes. Here we might have something. That's true. I'm ready to go in again here. We have more than enough test here. So let's see. If I can manage to get $500 today, I think that's amazing. Because today is not an easy day to trade. I see that it's a very difficult day to trade, to be quite frankly. Some days are like this, but the important thing is to keep our losses low as possible. Days like this. So the winning days are much there. Yes, I got a very good entry as long as it. Can't one line hold today? This start to be super annoying now, and now it's not even possible to be even thinking about hedging. And this one I'm losing. Or do I get lucky? No, did not get lucky. So then I lost 100 here, so my profit is $85. It's profit, but if you take now a look on my trades today, it's not nice. We started here with 2 winners, then we got 2 losers, and we have 1 winner again, so we are a small profit for the day, but yeah. Yeah, Robert, I think it's smart to stop today. Today is not a good day to trade. Thankfully, you did amazing yesterday. I hope you did not do too many trades to have today. West, you should then do max $3 trades on your account if you have $100. You see me, for example, I have 48,000. If you take 48,000 minus 2%, I can do $960 trades, but I can't do that because basically my emotions will break me. Last night and this morning I was killing it from 248 to, but I'm at. Okay, but you're still in profit then, Robert, over the 2 days. So see it that way. Don't take from day to day in that way. I understand it's difficult when you build basically doubled your account yesterday almost, but you're still up $100 almost since yesterday. So in that way, you have done good. So keep it like that. But yes, I think it's a good idea for you today to stop because we see that it's not an easy day. Everything gets broken. So just stop for today and restart again tomorrow. And also when you have much losing, it's good to stop. Yeah. Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Let's check that one. GPY. GPY. But then I hope I see you again tomorrow, Robert. If you are leaving the live stream, that is. Now let's see. I do not completely see. Maybe I'm not seeing clearly here now. Is it something I'm not? Justin, I am not sure what you see here. Maybe I'm completely tired and I don't see it, but I don't see a line here. Okay, that's nice to hear that you'll be here at least. No, I do not see anything here, Justin. Tell me. Maybe my eyes are tired, I don't see so clearly. But I did not see anything on that pair. That lets me know, just go fast over and see if we have something else we can be trading. Today I'm not done that well. We have 4 trades, 5 trades, 3 winners and 2 losers. So I have just a small profit of like $80 today. I think it was. Now let's see. Sell 92.32. Okay, maybe I didn't see it properly then. Let me see again. 92.42. Okay. Yeah, you are correct. But we only have 3 tests here. Yeah, we have 3 tests on this area. So we need at least in my strat, the way I like to have 4 tests. So I would like to see one more at least on this one here. So let's mark it. If I can get one more try up here, I will go in for that one also. Because we have 1, 2 and 3. What I do like here is that we have a little space in between each try, so that is good. So if you can come up here again, that would be nice. And we see that this one was working a little in the past over here also, that got broken over here. So that means that probably when we look a little over here now, this might fit with a higher time frame, I guess, because we see that it's often in that region that he did stop. So we see also, yeah. So it's a possibility that this one fits with a 30 minutes or maybe even a 1 hour. Of course, that will be much thicker area. But yeah, let's see. So one more try here, I will go in. Did we have something else you are looking on? Let me see. How are we in time? We have now traded for 47 minutes, so we have 12 minutes left of the session. Okay, something is happening here now. Let me see. This is for euro against Australian dollar. Looks like we lost a few opportunities here. But if gone down, I will go in. Let's see. We just need a small push down there. I got a decent entry there. Now let's see if this can be the line we make it. I don't like when he's jumping so fast. But here we got one good trade at least. So for me it looks like this will be a winner. $95. Yes, West, slow and steady when it comes to binary option, win the race. Don't look this YouTubers that is building account from $1 to 100,000 in one day, and this you see many of these if you search that in YouTube, because the reality is that that is recording. That you will never see them do that live. So slow and steady win the race. So just if you have $100, do 2. I will that on $2 trades, and then you can raise it later when you start to have a bigger account. So always do, I will say 2% will be a nice, do $2 trades on your $1, $100 account, and then take it higher later on. Because I started myself with just $100, So it's possible. Yes, I know it's boring in the start because you will not see that big profit through every day, but sooner rather than later you will start to get bigger account and you can have bigger and bigger amount, and it's rewarding when you do it correctly. I know that it's quite easily you can double and you can even manage to 5 times your account in one day, but that means also that maybe day number 6 then you blow your account completely and then all your hard work is lost. But if you keep it to 2%, up 1 or 2 or even 3 bad days will not break you. So now let's see, I'm ready to go in again here now. Let's see if we can make some money in the ending minutes here now. That would be quite nice. With our luck today, he will break this line now. I'm almost ready for it, but let's see. At least we got in one winner. I don't feel so bad when I get one winner on the line, because then the loss on the line is minimum. Quite decent in entry again. As long as you don't break it, I think we should win that one. Of course, if you don't push too much down there now. Now let's see. More 15 seconds. Then at least we are surpassing $200. That is nice. 4, 5, 3. Yes, we won that one. Good. Then we're up in $270. Now we're starting to add up here. So now if you take a look for the day now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades and just 2 losers. And on a bad day like this, that is pretty good. I know I was lucky on 2 of them, but still. Now let's see. We are ready again. Now if you break the line, we are even in profit on this line, so that is good. Now let's see. We are ready. That's the thing, we just need one good line and then we can make all the money we need for the day. I think the best line I had, I think I made more than $1,500 in one line, just doing $100 trades. That is now a little time ago. We have not had lines so good lately. And once again, when I talk about lines, I'm talking about lines that fits up with either support or resistance. In this case, we're talking about support. But in my sessions, we talk lines. Because I like to make things stupid simple. Was anyone else trading on this one, by the way? Justin, are you trading on this one here? Or are you trading now on Australian dollar against Japanese yen? Have you got any trades there? Because now I don't want to jump over here because I had some good luck on this pair here. But tell me, Justin, are you trading on Australian dollar against Japanese yen, or are you trading on the same like me now? We are also getting close to the end of this session. We are going to trade more 6 or so minutes. At least we turned and profit again in this session, nothing crazy, $270. But it's not, thinking about how difficult it is to trade today, it's not the worst win rate, at least for my case. Okay, you got one. Oh, very good, Justin. So then you are in profit for the day. Or how is it? Your total trades today, how many winners against losers do you have today? Let's see. And anyone else that have barely profit? Okay, I understand. That is barely is good also. I think you also should stop trading after my session today, because today it's not a good day to trade a binder option. We see that. But to turn profit on a day like this, that is good. And I'm sad for you, Robert, that you had a bad day today. But tomorrow we will have a good one again. And anyone else that is here now, if you are new here, let me know who you are, where you're from, because it's nice to start to know everyone that is here, because I do have my regular people, and I remember all of them. So if you start writing here on the chat, I will remember you, and it's cooler when we have more like a small family here that is trading together. Because then we help each other, we give you signals and things, and we build account together. I think that is cool. Talking about that, we have 4 minutes left of this live session. I will be back trading again tomorrow, same time. As always, I post up a video in YouTube, so where you can just put a notification for my live session. But basically it's the same time every single day. But if you're lucky, we can get in a couple of more trades. I'll check now this Australian dollar. Okay, I see we have a few spikes above here, so we got 1, 2, 3. Basically, I would not have traded this one here, because this one did break. So yeah, now we see one test here, so basically I will need 3 more here now before to trade on this one. So I will not have traded Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Now let's check the another pair super fast if we have something in the last minute trade. Here looks like we're building almost something, but I don't think we have time for that. It's only if you have something right away to trade. Here, this one did turn us some profit in the ending minute today. So my profit today, they turned to 270. Thinking about a so difficult day, I'm super happy with that. Yeah, that's the thing. We all will have some losing days, and the thing is that there's the overall picture. We need to see from week to week. I don't see so big picture as month. I see as from week to week. So as long as I have a good profit through the week, I'm happy. Now, if we come up here, we'll take a trade here. This one is actually quite beautiful. It's euro against New Zealand dollar. So if you come up there, I will take it. Let's see. I'll check the timer first. Yeah, we have 2 minutes, so probably we can get a trade here. So I will see. Let's see 3 more bars here, and we will stop for the day. And anyone else that want to open, you find link in the chat for the broker I'm using. You should probably start with a demo account first, just to test out if it's something for you, if it's something you like to do. And then later on, if you feel for it, you can deposit. And if you deposit, remember you have to use the promo code, so you get 200% on your first deposit. And if you see this as a recording, you find link below the video. Also, make sure you follow me in Forex. I had a little bad start with my Forex account, the new account I made that people can copy. But it's turnaround now. Now it's in profit again. I have I need to admit I did put up a robot that trade exactly the same way I do, with 0 emotions. And this robot now, since I put it up, have been printing money. So basically, you're copying my style of trading for Forex, but it's basically a robot doing it for me. So this robot, I think, did crazy a lot of trades. So I say it's me, but it's basically a robot doing what I would have done, if you can say it like that. So I call it cheating, but it's, if we can make money with it, hey, we like it. So I've been playing a little around with making robots of Forex in lately, because I see that I don't like Forex is something that takes much of my time. So I want to automatically do everything. And if you want to use the robots I do, it's quite easily. Just turn on the copy thing and you can follow the trades this robot do for me. And this robot, I think, have had the like 90% win rate since I turned it on. Overall should not be that good. I think around 75-80% will be the win rate on it, but it will be print money. So let's see. Now then we are done with the live session for today. Thank you all regulars for coming in. It's always nice to see when I see names I can remember. And also for new people, make sure you present yourself in the chat. We are a small group of friendly people that is training together. And I hope I see you all again tomorrow, and have a beautiful day.